student, how are you? Today we are going to learn example 6 of chapter number 1. This example is quite similar of example 5. Both have the triangles and both have the similar charges. But in example 5, the charge Q is placed at the centroid. But here there is no any kind of situation given. So first of all, let's read the question and calculate the sum. Consider the charges Q, Q, minus Q placed at the vertex of an equilateral triangle as shown in figure. Write the force on each charge. Here we take the magnitude of the third charge, so all the charge become same, and we put all the charges on the vertices. Q at the position 1, Q at the position of 2, and minus Q at the position 3. Here 1 and 2, the charge placed at the position 1 and 2 both are positive. That's why they apply the force repulsive. Between the two charges, the force is repulsive. So how can we write that force? So force on 1 due to 2, similar force on 2 due to 1, both are in opposite direction. The third charge, that is negative Q. So force between the positive and negative charge is attractive. So negative charge attract the positive charge, similar positive charge attract the negative charge. So force on 3 due to 1, we can write F31. Force on 3 due to 2, F32. Force on 1 due to 3 and force on 2 due to 3. Here angle is equilateral triangle. So this angle will be 60. So this angle will be 120. So we can write F12, F21, F13, F31, F23, F32, that is equal to F KQ square upon L square. The length of the side of all the side of triangle is L. So first of all, resultant force between F12 and F3, F13, that is on Q1 charges is F1. So in 11 science chapter number 3, how to find the resultant force when there is an angle between two vector. First term square, second term square, 2 into first second term, and angle between two vector. Here angle between two vector is 120. Cos 120 minus 1 by 2, 2 cut, plus minus minus, 2 minus 1 is F. So here we remember the concept, whenever there is an angle 120, the resultant force or resultant vector becomes equal to the original vector. Similar for resultant force on Q2 charge, similar 120 angle, same. Here force, resultant force between for negative charge, that is angle 60 degree, not 120. So cos 60, 1 by 2, 2 cut, 2 plus 1, 3. So root 3f, and root 3f is in downward direction, therefore minus j caret. So here we draw the free body diagram, FVD, F1, F2, here angle 60. So whenever there is a theta, cos theta and another angle, component becomes sin theta. Cos theta, sin theta. Here cos 60, equal and opposite direction, hence cancel each other. So F2 sin 60 and F1 sin 60 both are in same direction. So we will add that two vector. So resultant force 2f sin 60 j caret, upward direction. F3, that is in downward direction. Put the value sin 60 root 3 by 2, 2 cut. Put the value of F3 root 3f, and is in downward direction, minus j caret. F cut. So resultant force is 0. So calculate the sum with conscious. Best of luck. Hari Om.